All right. You can read the description. I'm just trying to find 2 points on the Fallout 76 map to put with the Vault 76 so I can make fast traveling the cheapest. So what I thought I'd do first is kind of put the actual 4 corners of the map. So like, I know that number 1, this is a travel spot. And I'm pretty sure I saw that like this is a travel spot. That one, I'm pretty sure the like here. So I'm just gonna like take the middle like area, and then over here, of course, this bunker area that they're always shooting nukes off at. If you ever get a lot, if you're a beginner, if they shoot the nuke over here, I've learned that you just fast travel over here, and as a group you fight this beast, Scorch Beast, and then usually get a lot of legendaries out of it, and ore and fancy stuff. All right, so I was going to use this calculator to actually make some grid coordinates, or I thought about using the actual edge of the map down here. So I mean, these might provide something a little bit more accurate, but I think for the interest of time, I'm just going to create coordinates using this, guessing this is a centimeter ruler. So first, I'm going to run this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.4. So this looks like 5.4. And I'm just spitballing. I have a sort of a plan I want to follow, but I'm not ready to see if I want to use that yet. Alright, now this is curious. I was wondering how I rotate this sucker. Can you rotate this thing? Like, grab it and yank it down. It's got this degree thing. Oh, this is probably just nah, I don't know what that is. Alright, so now I'm going to be forced to use this thing. But I guess I'll just do like this here and go. Oh man, this is gonna really be bad. Yeah, how do you rotate it though? There's gotta be a way to rotate it. Touch writing, nah. Alright, we might be forced to use that weird method. Yeah, I don't see a way. Alright. That's gonna... Alright, let us erase this and just use the grid coordinates on the map. Maybe they'll even help people learning or want to use it. Alright, so I'm gonna come. Oh, wait. This can still help. Alright, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. God, it's gonna, dude. This better not be annoying. But I bet it is. Alright, wait, can I just count the black ones and multiply by 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh my god, I hate this. 1. Whoa! Oh! Yes! Alright, you use the mouse wheel. Boop. Fantastic. Alright. Why? No. Okay. 5.4. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and alright. For math's sake, I'm calling that I'm gonna call that 10. Alright. Now, next. And we'll kind of notice what we can do here. We can come up here. Actually, I don't even think that part of the map matters. We'll take the coordinates anyway. Could put a little. Alright. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Alright. That was the Y. Alright, now the X, that's why I did this. I drew that line there. That is so cool how you can just do the degrees like that. Alright, it's going to be 5.4 plus 1.4. 1.4. Yes. So 5.4 plus 1.4 is 6.8. When you're low level, that's kind of a good place to get some experience and some weapons and ammo. Just FYI. Now, I'm wondering if... I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to make a midpoint for these 2 points up here. Because I'm not sure that when I looked on the map, I saw... So a midpoint would be 1, 2, 3, 4.6. So half of 4.6 is 2.3. So 1, 2, and 0.3 is like right about there. Because this is 2, that's 2.2, and 2.3 be like right in the middle of it. Close enough for government work. Alright, let's get our count line. Alright, I wish these were numbered. Why aren't they numbered? That would be helpful. I have to research this thing. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 29.8 on the X. Measure once, measure once. right, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 27, 28, 29, 30. 30.2. Oh, I just had an idea too. We'll have to figure that out. Like a really ghetto way to do it. Ooh, I know. Oh, yeah. Actually, I wouldn't call it ghetto, but I will like it a lot in a second. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 35, 34, 33. See how I fell asleep? I made that point really big. I'm going to go with 33 flat. One seconder. Yeah, before I do the 2-camp method, I'll do at least 1 or 2 ways to determine where the best place to put the normal camp, if you don't want to move it. I just did a quest though with the Wastelanders. Oh my god, it's like you want to move your camp to wherever you, because this you know, the Commander Daguerre, she's like up here. Oh my, and my camp's here. So and then she had to be questing all over the map. So like literally, it would be like, come here, quest out, come here. Like it was costing a lot of caps. Luckily, she pays a lot of caps, so it wasn't that bad. But if I had to do the quest again, I'm moving my camp like wherever she's at. That's where. Well, I know in the beginning you want your camp up here with her. But after she moves, so I don't give anything away, then I would probably move my camp like right here in the center of the map. So like whenever I'm moving. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.4. Alright. Oh, no, we need this real quick. So, question, I mean, first, why not just put it in the center of the map? Well, you don't have to put it in the center of the map because you've got Fallout 76 as one of your points. So, it mathematically has value, see? And what I'm going to be doing is, because this is like a circular point, like, you know, if we ever going to come here, I'm not going to go from my camp to there. I'm gonna like fast travel to Fallout 76 for free, and then hop over here. But how about this for a really like, just I would actually make Fallout 76 and this corner point. So if you don't use Fallout first, which is perfectly awesome, because I didn't use it. But I use it now, and that is why. All right, this is gonna be really bad. But what we're trying. Oh my god, that is really bad. Oh, look at the ruler. You don't have to. Stay on the line. It kind of knows what I'm doing. It's already doing it. That's really cool. All right. So watch. That'll be your one line. See how that connects there? But then you'll connect. And it's not going to be perfect. because the circles aren't going to line up perfectly, but at least this is going to... This should help, though, if you're into this. Oh, yeah, middle point. One more. Wait. 39 is too that way. 40 is... I'm not liking 40, but 40 looks best. And then 41 is definitely not it. 40 degrees it is. It just makes me want to tilt it some more. 39, 40. Alright, 40. But right, you can see right here is like the center. And how about this? If you're gonna sell, I bet you this would be like the perfect spot for selling, because people will be like crisscrossing the map all the time. Alright, what's going on here, buddies? What happened here? I'm gonna suppress something. Alright, so let's zoom it in here. Progress. What are you talking about? Oops. So what is this? Let's see, the lake. That's the top of the world, right? So let's see. I gotta remember this spot. But it's basically that's Rose, right? Or Rosie or Rose, the Raider Rose lady. So it's left and like a little bit up, but past the road. Alright. So how can we help folks? So how about this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm counting these fat ones. So 7 right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, I would say 7 right of these big ones, and a little bit more than 7 right, and then 8 up, and that would be the center of the map. But if you want to be technical, I mean, I know that, because this wasn't even why I came here to do this, guys, but since you do have this and it looks like about that far, oops, I need to change the angle of my hand. Since you got about this much room, you might actually just pull this back, maybe right there at that Raider camp, maybe back over here, maybe right here, because this little barren area. And the reason is because this is gonna, you know, be a circle type of area. Anyway, on to my challenge. Basically, I mean, ooh, this is running a long time. That's kind of cool. What I want to do is I'm gonna try to figure the area of this shape, and I'm not really gonna do anything fancy. I mean, I hope 6.8, that's 32, 29.8, 30.2, what else we got? 5.410, uh, 33, 7.4. Alright. So what I'm gonna use here right now, just so we're like on the level, dudes. I like it right here. Alright. Well, what I'm going to use now is, y2 minus y1. Oh, I'm sorry. Not using slope. I'm going to be using the distance formula. So basically variations of a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And the actual distance formula, which is, what is it? Is it like, hold on, now I'm blanking. XY, XY. If this was 0, 0, it'd be x minus. Oh, so it must be like, what is this? X2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. And that equals our distance. Alright, so let's see. One connects to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the distance to 1 and 2. Oh, square root. Thanks. Anybody paying attention was like, dummy, you forgot your square root. What's wrong with you? Okay, x2 minus x1 squared. Oh. We need parentheses here. Yeah, we need parentheses here. That should have fixed it. Why does that even make sense? I mean, that shouldn't have. Oh, I'm so stupid. Good morning, Mike. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Hello, good morning. I'm Mr. Mike. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. How you doing there? I'm crazy today. And then after you get that, take the square root. 23. What? Phones are ringing. Alright, 1 to 2 is 23, and and that makes sense. So, okay, we're going to go from fault to No, I wanted. All right, no, I want 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what I wanted. All right. Oh, I'm sorry. No. There we go. Yeah, and then oh. B2, B5, B2, B5. That should be the 6.8. That should be the 6 point. That should be the 29. No. Yes. Yes. That's this. All right. Good. Tracking. All right. So here are the dimensions of my shape. So I'm just gonna kind of okay, from 5.4 to 33. So the bottom okay. I gotcha. All right, so the bottom piece is 27. All right. $27. And then, in case you want to see what I'm doing here. Alright, and then from this bottom leg to this top leg is like 23. So this is gonna, alright, so this is cool. Alright, because this is gonna make the math a little bit easier for us. Because what it's coming out to looking like is it's looking like it's going to be like pretty much so it's not perfect, but pretty much I believe this is it's mostly like a trapezoid. Why does that help us? Because we can find the area of a trapezoid. Okay. Okay. Yeah. All right. So in a trapezoid, we just add the bases, which are like 23 and 27. That gives us 50. Divide by 2, which is going to give us 25. So we have a side length of 25, and the other side length is 22.5. So we multiply these two, we'll get area. Very sloppy, but it's good enough, close enough for government work. 25 times 22.5. 562 square units of land. 562 square centimeters of made-up land measurement. So, now here's the cool part. To divide up 562.5 centimeters or cubic centimeters of space, we're going to use 3 circles. Absolutely. And what is the area of a circle? Pi r squared. And and we're gonna solve this formula right here for the radius. Because first of all, we're gonna take that 562 and divide it by 3. All right, that's gonna give us 187.5. So we need 3 circles to take up 187 square centimeters. So now we could use our pi r squared formula. Let's divide both sides by pi. Radius squared equals, oh my god, where's pi at? Boom. 59.68. Alright, and then to get rid of the square sign, we're going to just square root everything. That lops that off. Alright, the radius of our circles are 7.7 approximately 2 centimeters. Alright, how's that help us? Okay, so where's that ruler? Alright, what we want is we want these circles to touch, and also they should be about 7 centimeters from the edge. So let's go ahead and see how far this is from this point up here. So if we just look at this, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's like 7.9. So that kind of does it prove we did all this correctly? It might tell us we're on the right track though. And since this point is here, then we need to go 7.7 out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Ooh, I can mark it. That's awesome. So the Fallout 76. Ooh. Oh. Shut up. Guys like cheating now. Look at this. Boom, dude. That's so dope. And look how it even touches the center. Alright, I love this. This is like cheating, bro. Bam. Let's see. Horizon. Why does so? All right. Well, this side isn't covered. Alright, I'm not sure where I would put it because here's the problem. If we put it here, we still have another circle to put for the tent type of deal. We could argue that actually there is stuff. Yeah, there is stuff. Alright, let's go try this and we'll see if it. Let's see that. I guess you can say, oh, well, this is something down here. I even think that's kind of like why it's on the map. I found it yesterday. It's pretty cool. First time I found blackberries to plant. It's kind of neat. Why did it do that? Come on. There you go. Thanks. Alright. So, whatever the heck this is, off to the side. Actually, I'm gonna say this. This looks like a better spot to place this at. So how about this one is a go, but this one's is a waste almost. And if I were to say so, maybe right here. Alright, so I guess what we should do, I mean, I can put it, if I put it here, there's this void right here, and this part of the map isn't even playable pretty much. Let me see. No, there's some stuff down there. But then, like, yeah, I feel like I moved too far here. Maybe this side and this side should be like equal distant, and maybe up more, because I don't think you can get to that bear, but I think you can get to this little trailer thing, and then maybe down, maybe over here. No, that's too far. You can't go that far. Like this little cradle look like right here looks really good. All right, I got a semi-creative solution. Alright. So, I've hardly been over here ever. And if you have to warp over here, it's worth it. I'm just thinking how this is a waste. It's not wasting too much. Well, and if it moves over here slightly, then it does cover more of this. And plus this area, but then we're moving too far over here. I figure it's not like it's, you know what, pretty mathematics is not pretty. I might try this setup and then reanalyze, because I really like the idea of being a trader. Because look at it being a trader. Look how these 3 circles lined up here and they crisscross here, and this is like a highway. I want to check this thing out too. All right, that's all I'm gonna run with right now. I'm gonna let that. I'm gonna try this out and see what happens.